Now I'm gonna get the water boil. So I'm gonna beat the ginger and add it to the water and let it boil for around 5 to 7 minutes. So now I'm gonna beat my ginger, crush it. So this is around 1/4 pound of ginger to 2 pounds of sorrel. Now I'm gonna add the boiling water, the ginger, to my sorrel. So I'm gonna cover the sorrel and put it to soak. And so I'm gonna take out the heavier trash. Strain it now. I'm gonna sweeten to taste or sweeten to your desire. I'm gonna put 6 spoons of sugar. 5. If you guys want to add more sugar, you can add it. So we're gonna butter up now. I'm gonna put around 4 sticks of cloves to preserve it from spoiling. Preserve it. Then I'm gonna add a little rice. This is the rice, this is to preserve it from spoiling. The ginger and the cloves need flavor. Some people add rum, some add wine, depends on what you want to add to your sorrel.